instrument, it is used to visualize many things which are not usually visible by our naked eye. For example, viruses, bacteria, also not viruses, bacteria, fungi, and you can see many animal tissues, also human cells also, and for diagnosis of many diseases, for example, malaria, typhoid. Okay, in various laboratories, it has a very wide range of applications. Okay, so it's a very useful tool. So now I will tell you the various parts and its functions. Okay, in microscope, it's an instrument that amplifies. Okay, if something is small, it makes it enlarged. Okay, for that we use two types of lens. The first is the eyepiece. It's called the eye lens. Okay. Then the second set of lens we use is called objective lens. Okay. We have four objective lens. So each lens has their own magnification. For example, this is the eyepiece which is of 10x, means it amplifies or magnifies the object 10 times. This eyepiece it is written 25x, which means it can magnify the object 25 times. Now, coming to here, okay, this is the called nose. This is the circular disc is called the nose, and here we have four lenses. Okay, the four lenses are of different magnification. So why we need different set of magnification? For example, for different purposes, we need different magnification. Okay, for that we use different lenses. The smallest, or you can say the lens with the lowest magnification here is of 4x. Means it amplifies the object 4 times. Then we have 10x, then we have 40x, then we have 100x. Okay, the net magnification, or you can say the total magnification, will be the multiplication. How to get a total magnification? For example, here it is 10x and here it is 40x. The total will be 400x multiplication. Okay, just multiply this and this. Okay, then you will get the total magnification. Below it we have the stage. Usually we have two types of stage in microscope. One is a general stage and other is a mechanical stage. Okay, in this model we have mechanical stage. The advantage of mechanical stage is that you can rotate the slide in x-axis and y-axis. Okay, which allows you to see a wide field. Okay, in your slide. Now below the slide we have condenser and diaphragm. Okay, the condenser condenses the light into a slide, and the main function of the diaphragm is to control the amount of light that is entering into the slide. Okay, I will show you there. Okay, here we don't have the electric connection, so I will show you there. So how diaphragm, if I open the diaphragm, the amount of light entering in the slide increases. Okay, when I close the diaphragm, the light intensity decreases. Below it we have a LED light source. I think you have seen in earlier microscope we used to have a mirror. Have you seen that? No. Okay. In earlier microscope we used to have mirrors, okay, which is a sunlight, is a light source.
Yes.
This microscope needs light source to operate, okay. So we can get light from sun or by artificial light, okay. But using mirror as a light source it has its own limitation. For example, if it's night you can walk, okay. If the room is not lighted properly, then you can walk, okay. So we have replaced the mirror with LED light source, okay. Now here we have two dials. One is the main power switch, okay, and one is the light intensity controller, okay. Like if you rotate this dial, okay, in the left side, the brightness of this light, this LED will increase, and if you rotate in the left side, the brightness will reduce, okay. Now we have two types of dials here. It's called adjustment dials, okay. This is to focus your slide. Like, have you used camera? Any sort of camera. So for capturing a clear image, we have to focus, na? Without focus, it will look blurred. Okay. So in the same way, in microscope, we need to focus our slide, okay, or our sample which is present on the slide. For which we have two dials. This is called the coarse adjustment. The big one is called the coarse adjustment. Okay. You can see the slide going up and down.
Yes.
Okay. By rotating it, you can just adjust the slide. Okay. And there is one more dial. Okay. It's called a fine adjuster. The function of two dials is same, but it used in a very the coarse adjustment does it in a very gross order. Okay. For example, you can see the moving. Okay. But when we use the fine adjuster, it moves the fine very slightly. Okay. You can't see it by eyes, but it is very useful for making increasing the sharpness of your image. Okay, now we will be doing we will focus one slide there, okay, in that corner, okay, because there is electric connection. So you are asked one by one to just come and see. Okay.
Yes.